The Spotify Music is one of the most popular sites for finding and listening to various sorts of music. Think about what it would be like if you might be able to get paid and make money online. Mine means simply by listening to music. Isn't it incredible? It makes no difference if you're from India, the Philippines, the United States, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, or any other nation on Earth. You may start making money right now by just listening to Spotify Music, and you can cash out your gains soon. For example, you might receive $260 for 160 or a big sum of over $900. You don't need any followers, you don't even need to suggest anyone to this site, and you don't need any money to get started because it's entirely free. All you need is a phone or a computer. And in these videos, I'll show you a few bonus numbers that will help you double your money over other people. So stay tuned and watch these videos all the way through before moving on to this video. Welcome to the Search Money, where we'll teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like it, and turn on the notification bell to be informed every time I publish a new video. Finally, don't forget to leave a comment below. Today I'm going to show you how to get paid to listen to Spotify Music, or at least some music on a Spotify platform. Throughout this video, I'll walk you through how to set up your Spotify account, which is completely free and can be done on your phone, computer, or both. I'll also lead you through the secret website that no one else knows about. After you've set up your Spotify account, you can simply get paid to listen to music. Right now, I just want to show you the earning potential on these websites. By simply listening to music, you can get up to £800 in pounds real quick. I just want to show you £800 sterling. We will then convert that into US dollars so you can easily owe over $1,000 by simply listening to music. Once again, this is a brand new website, and I'll show you everything you can start by going to open.spotify.com. If you have an Android phone, you can now search for Spotify in the Google Play Store. However, be sure you download the proper software because it has over 20 million reviews. Many people are currently adoring this app and using it every day to listen to music. But the amazing thing is that no one is aware of the secret website where they can earn money simply by listening to Spotify Music. If you have an iPhone or an Android, you can simply go to the App Store and download Spotify. But if this is your first time using Spotify, you must first create a free account, which can be done by clicking on this link and then clicking on the Sign Up button. You may now view your profile in your Spotify account by clicking here. Once you've completed the registration process, the first thing you'll notice is that there's a lot of music to listen to on Spotify, and it's divided into a lot of different categories so you can figure out which one is going to pay you the most money. For example, if you want to listen to this music, you can just click on this image and it'll start playing, or you can click on this play button right here to start listening to it. But one thing to keep in mind is that when you click it, you'll be able to make a new playlist, which will generate a lot of passive money. Now in a moment, I'll show you how to accomplish that, but first, I'd want to show you a hidden website where you can join up to become a music curator and be paid for simply listening to music. Keep watching, and I'll reveal the name of this website in a moment. Basically, you can become a music creator by listening to Spotify songs and then making a playlist based on it. Now that you've organized all of your music into a playlist, which I'll show you in a minute, and you know what to show, you can submit them to this website to earn regular money through submission. You'll be rewarded for every song playlist you submit on this website, and the more playlists you submit and the more submissions you make, the more money you'll earn on their website. So now you can see how many submissions we need to earn money. Basically, if you complete the last 200 submissions, you will not be paid. You can find a lot more information right here on their website. After completing at least 200 submissions, you will be able to start earning money on this platform, as shown here. The greatest earning is 500 submissions, for which you may make £800 on this platform, which translates to almost $1,000, and you can simply repeat this procedure over and over again. This is a fresh new website that is both interesting and beginner-friendly, and it can be done simply by listening to music. To get started, go to musicgateway.com http://musicgateway.com/. One thing to keep in mind is that this might be a challenging sign-up procedure. I'll show you how to fill out all of the forms you'll need to get started generating money, so stay tuned until the finish to prevent losing out on these necessary information. You may scroll down below and seek for any button that says Join for free and click on it to be directed to these sites. This page says Creator Influencer and Playlist Submission Application. They'll give you all of your money on time because they're so professional. When you scroll down below, you'll see the question, are you a Spotify creator? As you can see, we're going to focus on Spotify in this video and show you how to listen to different types of music, organize them into playlists, and submit them. Let's get this party started. If you're interested, please fill out the form below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. The first thing you should do is enter your email address in the first box, then the curator name, which is your full name, in the second box, and then we'll focus on Spotify from there. You can simply click on Spotify right now because it'll be the quickest way to get started. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see a link to a playlist, channel, station, or blog. In a moment, I'll show you how to do it on Spotify and how to copy your playlist link and paste it right here in this box to apply for an account. Before we go any further, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video so far, and if you found this video interesting and informative, please give this video a like. It's time to go back to work and make some money on the following question. About how many entries do you receive each week? Keep in mind that in order to start getting paid, you must have at least 200 submissions. Otherwise, you will only be paid $0 while answering these questions. It will depend on how much time you have, how hard you work, how many songs you want to listen to, and how many playlists you want to submit, but make sure it's at least 200 to get paid. If you want to make this a full-time income, I recommend doing 1,000 submissions and start making a lot of money on this website. From there, you can decide what genres or categories of music you accept, such as pop, dance, hip-hop, rock, jazz, soul, and so on. The more categories you have, the more money you can make on this website, and I'll teach you how to locate different types of music genres on Spotify in a minute. Following that, Music Gateway on Instagram has a question where you can simply say no, it doesn't matter, and lastly, if there's nothing else you want to say or want them to know, we can just leave these blank. And finally, do you want to join Music Gateway as a member or as a guest? Choose Music Gateway member or continuous guest and simply enter your first and last names as well as your country. You can choose any country because they accept people from all over the world, and your username and password before clicking the submit button. That's essentially all you have to do to create a free account and submit your application once this website has approved you. You can start listening to music and submitting your submissions to various playlists to start earning money. Now, we'll move on to a very important step, and I'd like you to go back to the Spotify app on your phone or computer, where we'll discover different kinds of music and combine them into different playlists to submit for money. From there, I'd like you to look at their various categories that are relevant to Music Gateway, such as pop music, so go back to Spotify. When we click the search button, it will display music that is related to the pop category. If we click See All, we will be able to find all of the pop music, and there will be hundreds of thousands of different kinds of music to choose from. What I want you to do now is create a new playlist. Simply click the Create Playlist button, and your playlist will be given a name such as pop genre. Simply click the Create button to get started. Take a look at the example below. For the time being, you may want to add music from these genres to your playlist. One of the coolest features of Spotify is that if you scroll down below, it will automatically recommend different songs based on the pop genre. Right now, I like to hit the Add button for all of the music listed under recommendations, and I'd like you to put them all in your genre playlist. Take a look at these. I just do everything like this, and over 10 songs are playing right now. I simply click on this right here, which is the playlist I just created with over 22 songs, and that's all you have to do. Look at this, that's one submission. You'll need more than 200 to start getting paid, and you'll have to spend a significant amount of time listening to different music and creating a playlist to submit them. So the next thing I'd like to show you is how to pull a link from your playlist. So when I click on the three-dot icon right here, which is the playlist I just created with over. When you do this, the link to your playlist will be copied, and you can simply repeat the process by searching for and creating 4 different playlists, each of which you may add music to with each submission of the playlist, allowing you to earn money on this website. Now, if you want to earn money by watching YouTube videos, click on the top video, and if you are interested in making money online easiest way possible, watch the playlist at the bottom.